Hello guys, today I learned something new. So I learned pav ka halwa and I didn't know it was so easy. I mean the 10 minute में हो गया. So I'll be sharing the recipe of pav ka halwa today. I know something different, not a usual makeup video. So I thought क्यों ना दूसरा कुछ try करें. So let's get started. And by the way, my name is Erum Khoja and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. It's the simplest recipe ever. I mean, anyone can make it. Yeah. So enjoy the video and let me know if you guys liked it or not. And don't forget to tag me if you make it on Instagram. My Instagram link will be down in the description box below, as you all know. Okay, bye.